Okay, I've moved to Koh Samet. Koh Samet, I've got to CSmile. It's about £30 a night. I'll show you. There we go. The containers. Cocktails, 180. Breakfast, food, all that. Can I ride a motorbike? Take the bike. The reception. There we go. Over lovely member stuff. I'll show you the. I'll just show you outside first. Try you get breakfast. So that, I mean, that's a wallet. You could borrow them if you want. And that's my room up there. Seeing you. In the bar. Let's go and show you. This looks great. It's about 30, I already told you that, it's about £30 a night. Up the steps. These containers look. I think they are anyway. Oh, small containers. Hello. The cleaner. Did a very good job. I'm sure. Fuzzy thing. Let's have a look around the front. I can't believe see this here. Isn't this wonderful? Made for 7 nights. So what have we got here? Show you the best till last. Bathroom. Oh, it's got a bath. It's got a bath. That GT. It's got a bath. And a shh. What do you call it? Probably a shallow. Yeah, wait, I should go there. She's too excited. Double bed. Little TV. And look at this view. Just look at this view. What do you think of that? Ah, I've got to do my bed test, have I? Right? Jump on the bed test. Let me do my jump on the bed test. Hey, last out in pocket, because all the breakups. Tells up the way. One, 2, 3. Oh, that's the best one yet. Oh, it's lovely, it's soft. So that's me, CSmile. Goodbye for now. The Baldy vlogger.